3 ways to optimize your dynamic search campaign. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome to the Teach Traffic YouTube channel, where I reveal lots of profitable traffic generating strategies. And make sure you stay through to the end of this video, because I also throw in a bonus tip on how you can optimize your dynamic campaign. Let's go dive into my account and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So here we are in a live Google ad account. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look at what our dynamic search ads were showing for. As you most likely know, we don't bid on keywords for a dynamic campaign. All we can really do to optimize is prevent our ads for showing for things that we don't want. So we need to first have a look at what we're showing for. So if we go into a dynamic campaign, into the ad group, and I'm going to scroll on the left here and go to search terms. And what this is going to show me, it's going to show me the search term. So this is what somebody actually typed into Google. Obviously the headline that Google dynamically came up with, and the associated landing page that was shown for this particular search term. I also get a bunch of other data with the, I didn't mean to click on that, the clicks and impressions associated for these particular search terms. And so I can then decide if I really want to show for these types of search terms. So if I scroll through here, you'll see here a whole bunch of different search terms. So if we take this search term as an example, so on my website, I actually have a podcast in which I interview people. So in this instance, it's obviously picking up the interview because, as you can see here, they are created as separate pages on my website. And so Google's showing for this person who I interviewed, a guy called Anik Singhal, it's showing for his brand name, all right? So, or his actual name. Now, I don't really want to bid on his brand name. That's for him to do. And certainly, so I would really want to be preventing my ad from showing up for this type of instance. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to add this URL as a negative URL. So I want to say to Google, you know what? I don't actually even want you to send any traffic to this. Okay, so I'm going to grab this URL, copy, and I want to add this as a negative dynamic ad target. So I go to this section, and obviously I've actually already done that here, right? You would not have done that. So you need to go to your search terms section, find a URL that you think, actually, I don't want to rank for that. Go to negative dynamic ad target, click on this plus icon, and I would suggest to add it at the campaign level because you want to prevent any instance of that happening. And you just type in the URL here. So copy it in here, click add, so that takes it over there, and then you click save. I'm not going to do this because I've already done it, but that's what you should do. Okay, so I'm going to click cancel that. I'm going to go back to the search terms because the second thing I want to do is I want to find negative keywords to add. Now, I can add an extra layer of security and add Anik Singhal as a negative keyword, but really excluding this particular landing page should prevent this from happening again. But let's pretend that there's multiple instances of his name on my website. I can just copy that. And I can go up to the keyword section and go to negative keywords, and you can see I have already done that here. But what we're going to do is we click plus, and we can add it also at the ad group level or the campaign level, and just copy that in here, and then we click save. I can add it to a negative keyword list if you're using a negative keyword list, which would then apply that negative keyword to wherever that list is being used. So you click save. I'm going to cancel because I've already done that before. Okay, so they're the first 2 ways that you are going to optimize your ad. The third potential way that you can optimize your campaign is by changing your bid strategy. As you can see here, I am doing max CPC bidding, or manual bidding, but you can change your bid strategy to be maximize conversions or whatever kind of automated bid strategy to try and improve the performance of it. Once you're showing up for the right keywords and you're sending traffic to the right pages. So how you do that is we have to do it at the campaign level. So we're at the campaign level now, and we go to settings. Scroll down here to bidding, click on this, and we go change bid strategy, and here is we can go to maximize conversions and possibly set a target cost per acquisition level or a target CPA amount. And obviously this depends on what you think is appropriate for your business. And then you can click save. Okay. And the bonus tip that I have for optimizing your dynamic search campaign is to also create another ad variation, another description in your ad to try and improve the click-through rate and also the conversion rate. So there you have it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe to Teach Traffic YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.